Are you looking for an under-desk treadmills? In this video, I will show you the 5 best under-desk treadmills based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Gopless 2-in-1 folding treadmill. 2-in-1 folding treadmill has 2 sport modes that can be used as a running treadmill and an under-desk walking treadmill. With a powerful 2.25 HP ultra-quiet motor, it provides you with a quiet and comfortable sports environment without disturbing others. 5-layer non-slip and shock-absorbing running belt provides effective cushioning for your back, joints, muscles, knees, and ankles. You can connect the treadmill to your phone through Bluetooth and play music while you are exercising. Equipped with a remote control and a safety key for immediate closure in an emergency. The 4th product on the list is the Lifespan TR800 DT3. The TR800 DT3 gives you the flexibility to choose the desk you want or use a stand-up desk you already own to turn your standing desk into a walking desk. Further enhance the benefits of a standing desk by pairing it with a Lifespan under-desk treadmill. The TR800 DT3 provides a seamless fit and easy placement under your stand-up desk or a Lifespan standing desk. Dual front-mounted transport wheels allow for easy setup and effortless storage. The 3rd product on the list is the IMOVR Thermotread GT office treadmill. Only treadmill that tracks walking, standing and sitting. Smartphone-like touchscreen LCD console tracks walking distance, speed, steps taken, calories burned, and time, as well as standing and sitting time calories burned. Quieter, with a smaller footprint, yet more powerful and feature-rich than any office treadmill on the market. 6 compression shock absorbers, with ultra-quiet 2.5mm rubber plus 2-ply fabric belt. Keeps track of multiple users with different presets for preferred walking speed. The 2nd product on the list is the Sunny Health and Fitness Walkstation Slim Treadmill. Owning your own in-home gym treadmill does not have to be large, bulky nor heavy. The Sunny Health and Fitness Walkstation Slim Treadmill is versatile, subtle and flexible. Place the treadmill anywhere in your home and jump on for a quick stroll. Get your heart rate going while getting some work done, watching your favorite videos, or even reading a book. Simply place the treadmill under your desk, use the included remote control to adjust the speed and get active. Conveniently adjust the intensity of your workout with the included remote control. The 1st product on the list is the Lifespan TR1200 DT3. The TR1200 DT3 is fully assembled out of the box, ready to work with your standing desk. Simply roll the treadmill under your standing desk, connect the console, and begin walking. The treadmill's motor is finely calibrated to achieve 2.25 HP at 2,400 RPM, resulting in whisper-quiet efficiency over longer hours of use. Unlike with traditional fitness treadmills, workplace treadmill motors are designed to work for hours at low intensities, guaranteeing miles of cool, quiet activity. The digital LED display shows steps taken, walking time, calories burned, distance traveled, and walking belt speed. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.